welcome to Miss Sharon's Storytime, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. Today we're going to read The Grouchy Ladybug. This is by Eric Carle, but first I want to tell you what this is about. This is about aphids, and they're insects. They're very small, and they suck the juice from leaves, and then the leaves die. So ladybugs eat aphids, and so they're good for the trees and shrubs and other plants. So they say 3 cheers for the ladybugs. Okay, but this is the Grouchy Ladybug, and it's from HarperCollins. Okay. It was night, and some fireflies danced around the moon. At 5 o'clock in the morning, the sun came up. A friendly ladybug flew in from the left. It saw a leaf with many aphids on it and decided to have them for breakfast. But just then a grouchy ladybug flew in from the right. It too saw the aphids and wanted them for breakfast. Okay. Good morning, said the friendly ladybug. Go away, shouted the grouchy ladybug. I want those aphids. We can share them, suggested the friendly ladybug. No, they're mine, all mine, screamed the grouchy ladybug. Or do you want to fight me for them? If you insist, answered the friendly ladybug sweetly. It looked the other bug straight in the eye. The grouchy ladybug stepped back. It looked less sure of itself. Oh, you're not big enough for me to fight, it said. Then why don't you pick on someone bigger? I'll do that, screeched the grouchy ladybug. I'll show you. It puffed itself up and flew off. Now you have to look carefully. Here's the ladybug. At 6 o'clock, it met a yellow jacket. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Want to fight? If you insist, said the yellow jacket, showing its stinger. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and she flew off. At 7 o'clock, it met a stag beetle. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug, want to fight? The stag bug said, if you insist, opening its jaws. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and she flew off. At 8 o'clock, it came across a praying mantis. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug, want to fight? If you insist, said the praying mantis, reaching out its long front legs. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 9 o'clock, it met a sparrow. It almost flew into the sparrow. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug, want to fight? If you insist, said the sparrow, opening its sharp beak. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. 10 o'clock, it saw a lobster. Well, you can see how little the ladybug is beside it. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug, want to fight? If you insist, said the lobster, stretching its claws. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 7 o'clock, it bumped into a skunk. Oh, no. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug, want to fight? If you insist, said the skunk, starting to lift its tail. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. Wow, look at this one. At 12 noon, it spotted, here's the ladybug, right there. It spotted a boa constrictor. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug, want to fight? If you insist, said the snake, right after lunch. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 1 o'clock, it happened upon a hyena. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug, want to fight? If you insist, said the hyena, laughing eerily and showing its teeth. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 2 o'clock, and you can see how little it is, it met a gorilla. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug, want to fight? If you insist, said the gorilla, beating its chest. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 3 o'clock, it ran into a rhinoceros. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug, want to fight? If you insist, said the rhinoceros, lowering its horn. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 4 o'clock, it encountered an elephant. Here's the ladybug right there. Hey, you, said the Grouchy Ladybug. Want to fight? If you insist, said the elephant, raising its trunk and showing its big tusks. Oh, you're not big enough, said the Grouchy Ladybug, and flew off. Okay, this is the last one. Listen. At 5 o'clock, it met a whale. Hey, you, said the Grouchy Ladybug. Want to fight? But the whale did not answer at all. You're not big enough anyway, said the Grouchy Ladybug, and flew off. At 5:15, the Grouchy Ladybug said to one of the whale's flippers, hey, you want to fight? But it got no answer, so it flew off. At 5:30, the Grouchy Ladybug said to the whale's fin, hey, you want to fight? But it got no answer, so it flew on. At 5:45, the Grouchy Ladybug said to the whale's tail, hey, you want to fight? And the whale's tail gave that ladybug such a slap that it flew across the sea and across the land. And at 6 o'clock, the Grouchy Ladybug arrived right back where it started from. Ah, here you are again, said the friendly ladybug. You must be hungry. There are still some aphids left. You can have them for dinner. Oh, thank you, said the wet, tired, and hungry ladybug. Soon all the aphids were gone. Thank you, said the leaf. You're welcome, answered both ladybugs, and they went to sleep. The fireflies, who had been sleeping all day, came out to dance around the moon. Oh, that's such a fun book. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. If you stopped by the library to get an activity pack, I'd like to show you what's in it. First of all, you're going to do a stand-up. There's mine. And you'll find in your packet this paper, and you'll find a flower, 2 ladybugs, a ladybug house, and another bug. Now, I added birds and grass to my picture. You can do yours any way you like. Okay, and then you'll do this little activity sheet. 5 is for 5 ladybugs. Okay, I will color the flowers all different colors. That makes it pretty. Okay, then you'll find this, a white piece of paper, and you will find these stickers. A flower, a ladybug house, and a ladybug, and then you can make your picture any way you would like with that. And then the last thing is you'll find this little paper that tells you about my story time. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy all those activities, and I'll see you the next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.